Hey guys, welcome to Logan Longtail here. So today we're going to do an unboxing video. We got a company, I got a pin that I got for my SRM 225 weed eater from this company. And we're going to do an unboxing video. I told you guys something would be coming up, and this is it. But yeah. Let me go get my pocket knife and we'll go open this up.
But I was like, well, I don't know if they're around all year here. Because it's not. Yeah.
Okay guys, so we got my pocket knife here. We're gonna open this up and see what we got here. I don't know if you guys can see that here, but okay. Okay, it needs to be sharpened. This is going to be a game changer for my lawn care. So that's also going to help me out a lot, to be honest with you guys. Yeah. So yeah. Oh, okay, we got some instructions.
While we were there, we ran into this and they were from this Lucky Cat cafe.
So in here we got a couple advertisements on here from the company called the Poultry Suppliers, and you can buy anything from their website, I believe. I just got this on Amazon, but yeah.
So their mom was actually rescued and gave birth, so
Okay.
they actually know the birth date.
Yep. Alright, so that's all the information. And then, and here we got a bunch of these popcorn things. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a mess. Oh boy. Hold on. Give me one moment. Sorry if the camera's a little wobbly, the table broke, so I'm trying to be careful as I can. Oh, shit. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go dump this in garbage. They sent too much pop in. Yeah, sorry about the conversation in the living room. My mom talking to my grandma. So, get rid of your popcorn thing.
So, so it's just a really cool place, and so they all been vetted and they have 100 shots and everything. They've been checked for feline. Yeah. So, but Petal actually had, there's an adoption pending on him. And, but these ladies, they were like, we're gonna find out because this other applicant put in the application a week ago, and it only takes 24 hours to 48 hours to find out. And so we're gonna see if we can't get you Petal, because clearly Petal has chosen you. I mean, I was sitting there filling out the application, I'm sitting there with the clipboard, and the kid came and sat on the clipboard. Climbed on Haley's face, climbed all over Logan. I mean, it was just incredible. And for a 5-month-old, I was very surprised that he wasn't like clawing and scratching.
Okay guys, I'm back. Can't hear that clock went somewhere. For now, we're going to be doing an unboxing video.
So, when we first moved in, we said no pets.
So, in here you'll have like your shipments and all that stuff. And then, I don't know, stuff for that. And then you get 2 of these. By these. And then that. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I don't need to worry about it. This is what we got here. And in this box is something pretty cool. And this is something pretty useful, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah. So, what do we got here? We got the Edgit Pro for the Edgit M225. They look like this, and it's a disc that you go around. So, yeah. And in here, you'll come with instruction on how you put it together. They'll also will give you some instruction with some screws, and they'll come with lubricant to lubricate your pearl. And apparently this ain't good on it. So yeah. So one here, and one here. This will be kind of help you save all those spots here. And what you do, this frame will spin around when you edge and stuff like that. So I'll do a demonstration of a video later on when spring hit. But I'm gonna put this on and then I'll put this on off camera and then yeah, so we'll show that. So but anyway, I just wanted to do an unboxing video today and hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, stay baby and keep on. Later.